Hi, this is Greg Henry from RE/MAX Metro City in Ottawa. We're really excited to be at one of our beautiful new listings in Rockland. We're on Giroux Crescent, which is deep in the village of Rockland. Rockland is on the east side of the city of Ottawa. It's a self-sufficient community. Nestled along the Ottawa River, it has all its big box stores, some great eateries, and super recreation facilities. We're in a newer two-story, three-bedroom home, and it's absolutely stunning. You'll notice that from the outside, the winding front stone walkway, the stone skirt that wraps around both the front and side of the exterior of this home. When you come in though, you won't be disappointed. It has Roman columns, a beautiful, stunning hardwood staircase right at the front foyer, hardwood flooring throughout the main level, ceramic tile throughout the kitchen. The kitchen is of really good size. It's larger than normal for sure. It has lots of counter space and cupboard space, including two separate pantry sections. A turret eating area with panoramic windows that surround it. Separate living room, dining room with the gas fireplace. Really nice attention to detail on the moldings and the baseboards. Separate main floor family room. The upstairs, all the rooms are big. They have a minimum of 2 windows each. They're quite bright and spacious. The master bedroom is of good size with a very much a luxury ensuite with the jacuzzi, soaker tub, and the stand-up shower. The garage is 36 by 25. It's an oversized double, and it's great for all your additional toys or workshop amenities. One of the neat characteristics of this home though is it's separate in-law. It has a separate driveway for the in-law. It has a separate side entrance for the in-law. It's totally self-sufficient, and it's a good floor plan down there, very similar to the main floor plan of the home. We're really happy to have this as one of our listings. We encourage you to view the details of it on our website at weknowottawa.com. This is Greg Henry from the Henry team. We hope to see you soon. Take care.